Hello kings, queens, and royals in between. My name is Joe, and this is my channel. It's my channel. Sorry, I've been doing a little singing. And in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a rainbow look. And by rainbow, I mean I will be wearing white foundation and a lot of colors on my face, along with the white foundation. Since it's purple contour, it might read as pale lavender, but I'm still gonna be putting it in the white foundation playlist on YouTube. Not that anybody cares. So, let us begin. Alrighty, looking like camouflage. I'm gonna put this up here. Shift, duplicate page, shift upward. Little art joke, little ibis paint X joke. Click, say, click. Don't take a pic. I look like bday soft silk primer. Next week, I believe I'm going to be doing a gray foundation look with blue ears and blue nose. And also, in the same realm of what I said earlier, if I'm remembering correctly, I don't know if I am, I might have just imagined it. I will be adding that look to the white foundation playlist because I don't think I'll be doing gray foundation that often. I'm not going to be doing like miscellaneous. I'll just be like, is this reddish pink color that I painted my face with more red or more pink? And then I'm going to put it in that playlist. Just showing you guys how my mind works. Sunset makeup white foundation. Definitely not anything else. Because why would I lie to you? Why would I joke to you? I'm a very serious person. Don't chat to me! Hopefully that can be covered up. I don't. Before I started doing this look, I believed that this was going to be the easiest foundation to do for some reason. But white foundation shows all your blemishes and shows excuse me. I hope you get where you need to go fast. Shows uneven colors like that. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. If I do, don't get your hopes up. Yeah, crazy stuff. But it should be the easiest to clean. Brushes wise, and to take off. Knock on wood. I do have wood. Who is it? Now, to switch things up. For setting powder, I'm gonna use the bday Super White Juno Birch series coming soon. I will be recreating, not playing The Sims. I think my computer would explode. Most of her YouTube makeup tutorials, because that sparks joy in my mind, but in my own style, of course. One of the times I got fired from Dollar General is when I got this big old tub of white powder because I thought I was gonna start doing drag. And then I realized drag is expensive and I don't like the way my body looks right now. So that's just gonna have to wait. Does that mean that this barely used white powder is expired? Most likely. I look like that ice cream guy. You guys know what I'm talking about? He's made of ice cream and he's scooping himself with a spoon and eating it and he's going. When I first saw that video in 9th grade, I believe, I thought he looked like Miley Cyrus. So, sorry, Miley. I'm going over top with the Manic Panic NYC pressed white powder. This has been well loved in my career. Oh, that's bad. What happened? I don't know if I'm actually doing anything, actually, because super white is literally super white. I'm just here. I'm just Ken. Haven't seen that movie more than once. I thought it was just alright, and the lashes on my face were distracting me so I couldn't cry. I looked so mad in the group photos. I think I was just overstimulated. Fun fact for you. NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Anybody gotta do... I'm not gonna say that. Zionist company, by the way. Not a great company to support. But I like to donate... double my money, what I paid for a Zionist brand, towards a Palestinian family on GoFundMe. It makes me feel better when I want a bag of chips. Almost every single chip you can think of, and soda, and like streaming service, they're supporting a genocide, and it's not good. And I wish I said something in the previous 3 videos, but I'm saying something now. God, in person I look nasty. Oh, I look like long legs. Let me in now, Daddy, and make me Don't scratch your face. It's still wet. You rap Scallion. Megan the Scallion. She should have been in the SpongeBob movie. SpongeBob Big Guy Pants Okay. Right? And everybody's thinking, boyfriend, I'm nervous. Of all the shades, you can tell this one gets the most love. You would think it's all the shimmers because I love shimmer. Oh, that's just this. I thought somebody was intruding my home. I love shimmers, but like you have to layer them multiple times. It's like a thin thing, and that's like, I don't like thin things. And we're gonna move right along. For contour, by the way, I don't know if you could tell which step I'm on because I look like a beast. I'm doing something here today on this night. What? I have a mirror. Now, in the drawing, I did purple down the sides, but I'm scared that's gonna make my neck look really skinny. So I think I'm gonna try to go down around the Adam's apple, just down here. If it looks bad, and I jump cut to having just a plain white neck again, it's because I wiped it off. In the grand scheme of things, after I do everything else, should be all right. That is as good as that's gonna get. More colors, and then you won't even. This is going so well. I found that the best option to get it as good as it looks right now, which is like 78%, is take the big blush brush and just scrape it across. Instead of like gently blend like I normally do, just hold it down at the bottom. Do not follow along. This is not, nobody should look like this. Not even me. Something's happening, I think. Hey guys, let's just move on to the orange blush, which is not going to blend into this purple. I thought that through. Don't look at me from up here. I'm so glad this is my debut into orange blush for the reboot of my channel. Guys, aren't you excited for me? Hot sauce as my blush. Instantly brown. Okay, instead, this one and a little bit of this peachy one. It was originally gonna be a hot pink color, but I didn't wanna do pink for every single blush look. Not that anybody thinks about these things other than me. I do need to put a little bit, and I forgot to put highlighter on before. I'm gonna put a little bit of white powder right here, just to lighten it up to look like here. Everybody give it up for the Makeup Revolution, London Makeup. This whole gap right here, where purple should be, and I'm gonna leave it. You're so right. It has saved me a little bit, I think. I still look crazy. I need to put some eye drops in. So I'm gonna do both brows and one eye off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, I did both brows and one eye off camera, and I'm feeling hopeful for the future of this look. I was not feeling it, but now it's usually in the later stages when I have like the eyeshadow and then the lashes, and then I'm like, okay, this look might be something. So I really have to trust the process, just like you do. Oh, is that girl I see? Ooh, that was extra gravelly today. Oh, I forgot to put the gems on. I'll just wait. We're gonna start with the Morphe 39S palette. And I'm using the pink from the Morphe 39. Which one did I use? I believe it was this one, but I couldn't tell you. Gun to my head, I'd be like, why is there a gun in my head? Now, I'm just gonna do a little simple winged cut crease mimic. Gently, very gently with eyeshadow, because I don't want to get eyeshadow down here. And I also don't want to put a layer of powder to protect it down here. So, I'm just gonna be gentle and also tap my brush. You know, just a simple little look to go to the library, check out a couple of books. And if you do know how to read already, proud of you. What's that white? Before I do the Totally Eye Safe glitter, I'm gonna start with Domino, which is where Bloom is from, the dimension that Bloom is from. Yeah, the joy's gone, I'm sorry. It is not, it is more shimmer than glitter. But it looks like it's about to be a glitter, just from this, but that's just the formula. And at some point, I'm gonna have to do this color as a blush. That's gorge. Also this one, I will be using this one for this. Okay, I'm gonna go over top of the glitter, this, or shimmer, I mean, with, oh, yes. Can you see that? And, you know, it's just a sheer little boopy doop, just a little womp womp. Out of all the things, it for sure is not a womp womp. I just wanted to say it's something else for once. Sorry, guys. I lied to you. On top, I'm going to be using an eye safe glitter. Blue on the hand. Ignore these. I was trying to figure out which eyeliner pen to use. And I'm going all the way over here, because there's glitter all the way over here. If you're a fan of half-cut creases, sorry. And it's this tiny little pink glitter with a green reflect to it, which I didn't even think about when I decided to do pink eyeshadow and lime lines on my face. I just keep coming up with metaphors on accident. Why is this one a little lighter than this one? Y'all, it's because I forgot what shimmer I put on here before the glitter. And now they're a little bit different. And what if I put that shimmer on top of this glitter? Is that gonna look bad? Oh, it's just when the light hit. Nope, just kidding. What do I do about this? How do I fix it? I mean, I feel like I have a darker pink glitter that has a green. I do not. I'm just gonna put this darker pink on top with no glue. See what happens. Okay. Call me Mariah, because I'm literally the scientist. Memories of my day. Use your trusted eyeliner pen. This is from Cosmetics. And now, from the ColourPop Winx Club palette, I'm gonna use Nature's Symphony. Sweet love, will you comfort me? Oh, my eyes closed. Why did I think? Is this something? Can you even tell what's going on? The gems. Wet n Wild SpongeBob once again. Upon further reflection, there were only 5 of them. I was I wasn't paying attention to how many there were. 5. There's 5 spaces right. So I think we're just gonna do these 2. I'm gonna do red mascara, because the picture, it was red mascara. And then red lashes. You know how well that went last time. I'm just camouflaging them. They're just for camouflage. So if they look bad, oh, I'm scary. I'm a scary little clown. My phone's hot, so the screen is dark. So these look brown. So I did these with concealer and then eyeshadow on top, because I bought rainbow lashes before and I didn't like them. They're just cheap stuff. Okay, I'm liking them. I'm about to go yell at my dog for barking, and I might scare my grandma because I'm a white clown. Well, you guys know what time it is. Lipstick time. It's blue with a darker blue lip liner and a light blue in the center, which is where I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna start with this Wet n Wild multi-stick. Color Icon multi-stick in the shade Fuzzy Monster. Ooh, that is creamy. Just smudged it. Having fun. I'm having fun. I think I'm just gonna fill it in and then go on top with the light blue. This brings me back. This brings me back. I can't speak. I can't speak. Are you there? It's me, Ellen. No. Okay, according to this Wet n Wild Sesame Street palette, which is the same as where the crayon is from, I can put this lighter blue on my mouth. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, that feels bad. On my finger, at least. Ooh, feels like I put a mouthful of sand on my mouth. I need a lighter blue shimmer though, because this is not what I want. My teeth don't look green, so don't say. Oh, God. On top, I'm gonna go with the Wet n Wild Bikini Bottom Lip Oil in the shade There She Blows. It's blue for Mr. Krabs pants. Mr. Krabs big guy pants, okay? Oh, I just realized this is mint and this is gonna feel strange too. Love. I'm gonna veto that actually. Just my bottom lip is gonna feel minty. I'm gonna do a clear gloss. This one from LA Colors. Mint on the tongue. Wet, wet mud. No coughing, please. I'm gonna go around the perimeter. Just kidding. It's not safe for the lips. And I like to follow the rules. Just a blue lip liner. Ooh, how truly awful. Now in the center. I'm not done. I'm not done. It's almost over. Let me brush my hair, put on jewelry. And then it's for art, honestly. Not worth it. It's all right. I am gonna brush my bangs, and we're gonna brush my hair, and I'm gonna put on some jewelry, and we can finish this thing. See, I know the forehead looked crazy, but once I brush the bangs, it looks only slightly less crazy. The lashes also look crazy, but I'm not gonna fix them. It's almost over. Nose ring, made it myself. Hot glue and gems from Dollar General. These ones, they're 2 random gems, this in the center and this on the not center, and from Temu. I bought them in bulk. I don't recommend, but if you want these thingies, then you might find them on Temu. I'm challenging myself not to use anything yellow today, even though these gems are a little bit yellow when they hit the light. All right, this is it. This video is probably 45 minutes long, and I told myself I wouldn't do that again. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the process that it took to get here. Is this fun? Is this blended and couture? Not couture. Sorry, acid Betty. Is this fun? Are we having fun? Did we have fun? Did we see the glitter? Let me ask the audience. Please consider liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Or you'll see me. I won't be. Sorry, guys. I don't know.